Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about filmmaking, cinematography, or media studies, then today's video is a must-watch for you. We're going to dive deep into the world of cinematic lighting, specifically the difference between hard light and soft light, and explore how filmmakers masterfully use them for powerful visual storytelling. So, what exactly is light in cinematography? In filmmaking, light is so much more than just making things visible. Light is an artist's brush. It creates mood, adds depth, evokes emotion, and weaves meaning into every frame. The quality of light has a direct and profound impact on how a scene feels to the audience. And when we talk about quality, light is mainly divided into two fundamental types: hard light and soft light. Let's break them down one by one, starting with hard light. What is hard light? Imagine a bright, sunny day with no clouds. The shadows are sharp, dark, and clearly defined. That's hard light. It's a focused light source that creates strong, crisp shadows and high contrast between the brightest and darkest parts of the image. This kind of light typically comes from a small light source, a direct light, or a light source placed far away from the subject. Classic examples include direct sunlight, a bare light bulb, or a focused studio light like a spotlight. The key characteristics of hard light are those sharp shadows, high contrast, strong highlights, and the way it brings out every single texture and detail, for better or worse. So, how is hard light used in films? Because of its intensity, hard light is a go-to tool for creating drama and tension. It's perfect for highlighting a character's power or sense of danger. It can also be used to convey a feeling of harsh reality or intense conflict. You'll see hard light used frequently in crime films to create a gritty atmosphere, in thriller scenes to heighten suspense, and of course, in classic film noir to create those iconic, dramatic shadows. Essentially, hard light makes a subject look bold, intense, and sometimes even aggressive or intimidating. Now, let's flip the coin and talk about soft light. What is soft light? Think of an overcast, cloudy day. The light is gentle, shadows are subtle, and everything feels evenly lit. That's soft light. It produces smooth, gradual shadows and even illumination across a scene. This beautiful, gentle light comes from large light sources, diffused light, or light that's placed very close to the subject. Common examples include the light on a cloudy day, sunlight filtering through a sheer curtain, or professional tools like softboxes and reflectors, which are designed to scatter and soften the light. The characteristics of soft light are the exact opposite of hard light. You get soft, feathered shadows, low contrast, and a very pleasing, gentle look. It's incredibly flattering on skin because it tends to smooth out textures and hide minor imperfections, creating a very natural and appealing feel. So where do we see soft light in movies? It's used everywhere, especially when the goal is to evoke beauty, create emotional comfort, or set a romantic and friendly tone. You'll find soft light used extensively in romantic films, intimate drama scenes, and almost all commercials that want to sell a pleasant lifestyle or beauty product. It's also the standard for interviews and most YouTube talking head videos, just like this one. Soft light makes subjects look calm, safe, and approachable. Let's do a quick comparison. Hard light creates drama and tension, while soft light creates comfort and emotion. Hard light reveals every bit of texture, while soft light smooths over details for a more flattering look. It is crucial to understand that professional cinematographers do and choose one over the other based on personal preference. The choice is always dictated by the story. What emotion does the scene need? What does the director want the audience to feel? That's what determines the lighting. Why does all of this matter in media studies? Understanding hard and soft light is like learning the basic alphabet of visual language. It empowers you to analyze film scenes on a deeper level, to understand a director's intention, and most importantly, to improve your own filmmaking. Once you can control light, you can control the mood and guide the story visually. So, to wrap it all up, just remember this simple key: hard light equals sharp, dramatic, and intense. Soft light equals smooth, emotional, and natural. Mastering these two fundamental types of light is truly the first giant step toward becoming a professional cinematographer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with a friend who might be interested, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next Media Studies Pro video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.